Joel, and Mark, our boy band of the
Go
week, ang ating grand finalists.
Boy band of the week.
Hello. Hello. Okay guys, sit down. Okay. Guys, abangan nyo yung production number nila mamaya. Ibang klase yung mga dance steps na ginawa nila. Okay. Okay, banding muna kayo sa mga super fans.
Mag-thank you kayo sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa inyo dahil kailangan suportahan na nila kayo sa Grand Finals! Okay? Let's start with Neil Morillo.
Neil, magpasalamat ka sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa'yo.
Opo, nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga taong walang sawang sumusuporta sa akin. At lalo-lalo na po yung mga family ko na todo support para sa akin. Salamat po.
Ayun na, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. And sana sa Grand Finals, doblehin nyo pa yung pagsuporta nyo sa akin. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, Russell.
Shouts out to Russell X, and we love Russell Reyes for always being here to me. I just want to say to everybody who's ever supported me from the very beginning, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat kasi I would have not made it to this point without you guys, so just continue to support me till the end. Thank you so much.
Okay, Joao.
Maraming salamat po to everyone who's been supporting me from the beginning till now. Hopefully next week, please continue supporting me. And also don't forget to support our brothers tonight, Tony, Tristan, James, and Ford. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.
Okay. And guys, less than 3 minutes to air na lang tayo, kaya i-turn on nyo na yung television sets at tumutok sa Pinoy Boy Band Superstar!